today I'm gonna do an experiment with this. And this is oil, this is water, and this is syrup. I'm gonna drop these different items into it.
Explain what's going on here.
So the screw is heavier than the syrup, so it went to the bottom. And the blueberry and the orange is lighter than the syrup, so it went above it, but it's under the water. And
Why is it under the water?
because it is heavier than the water, then the bottle cap is heavier than the oil, so it is at the bottom of the oil. And the cherry and the wood is lighter than the oil, so it's floating up.
What are you going to do next?
So I'm gonna mix this together, and after it's mixed, it'll pop back right back. See?
Why are they not mixing?
Because they have different density.